I've been cooking a long time. I teach barbecue classes and seminars, own a catering company, and help run Hasty Grills, one of the oldest grill manufacturers in the country. I'm also an avid hunter and outdoorsman. I love seeing folks take what they kill on the field and turn it into a gourmet meal for their family and friends. And while folks like me know how to prepare wild game, the sad reality is it's kind of a lost art. Most folks grind it, bacon wrap it, overcook it, and then just resolve themselves to the fact that they don't actually like game meat. That's where Shannon comes in. I ran with Shannon for almost a decade, and I can tell you this: Shannon loves to teach folks about his passions. Whether it's taking kids out in the woods to get their first deer, or walking someone through grilling their first backstrap, Shannon gets the ultimate joy out of seeing people learn and do things for themselves. He's also one of the most creative wild game cooks I've ever met. He loves to experiment and push the envelope in simple yet effective ways. If you've ever found yourself sitting on some game meat, not knowing how the heck you were going to cook it, well, Shannon's new show, Smokin' the Wild, is for you. Pay attention, take some notes, and prepare to blow your family and friends away with some wild game recipes that will convince them that they too actually love wild game. Added bonus, you'll look like an Iron Chef, and there's no one around to say otherwise.
Hey, I really appreciate that. You all stick with us because we're going to take people from thinking that they can't do it to saying, wow, I just did that. You all stay tuned because we're fixing to get wild.
There he is right there.